Need to update your Xfinity Wi-Fi name or password? It's crucial for security and personalization. A strong, unique password prevents unauthorized access. Changing the SSID can also help hide your network. This video will guide you through the process using both the Xfinity app and the admin portal. Let's clarify some basics. SSID is your Wi-Fi network's name, making it identifiable. The password or pre-shared key secures your network, ideally using WPA3 encryption for enhanced security. Xfinity recommends at least 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for a strong password. The Xfinity app, available on iOS and Android, is the easiest way to change your Wi-Fi settings. Start by logging in with your Xfinity ID. Navigate to Internet, then Wi-Fi. Tap Edit next to your network name or password. Enter your new credentials. Save the changes. They take effect immediately, usually without needing to reboot your devices. Alternatively, use a web browser to access the admin portal at xfinity.com/myaccount. Log in with your Xfinity ID. Go to Internet and then Wi-Fi. Click Edit to modify your SSID and password. Save your changes. You can also directly access the router by entering 10.0.0.1 in your browser. Always use the official Xfinity app or portal to change your Wi-Fi settings. This protects you from phishing scams that try to trick you into entering credentials on fake websites. Enable two-factor authentication on your Xfinity account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step, such as a code sent to your phone, making it much harder for unauthorized access. Regularly update your Wi-Fi password, ideally every 3 months. This is especially important after any reported data breaches. Strong passwords should mix letters, numbers, and symbols to resist guessing attempts. Avoid using easily guessable information in your Wi-Fi network name or password. This includes personal details like your name, address, or common patterns that attackers can quickly try. If your devices don't automatically reconnect after changing the Wi-Fi, try forgetting the network on your device and then reconnecting with the new password. Ensure you're using the correct Xfinity ID and password for the app or portal. If you still have problems, contact Xfinity support. Wi-Fi management is increasingly mobile-first, with users preferring apps for convenience. Expect future enhancements like AI-driven password recommendations and zero-trust networking with rotating passwords. Newer Xfinity routers support Wi-Fi 7 for faster and more secure connections. Keep your router firmware updated for the latest security features. Changing your Xfinity Wi-Fi name and password is easy using the app or portal. Remember to prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling 2FA. For the most up-to-date instructions and troubleshooting, visit xfinity.com/support. Stay safe online.